Okay, as a church family, we love to welcome baby Renal Jefferson John, son of Mr. John and Dr. Eva. The song which we are going to sing is a beautiful declaration which says, Neer Matram Podum. Lord, you are all I need. It's a reminder to all the parents of God's faithfulness and God's goodness towards our children. And especially today, to these young parents, Mr. and Mrs. John, as they entrust their precious little baby Japheth into the loving hands and care of the Almighty God, who is Jehovah Jireh, the provider who will supply every need as they raise this child. Jehovah Rapha, the healer who will watch over the child's health and well-being. Jehovah Shammah, who is ever present in every moment of parenting. Jehovah Elohim, the Creator God who has wonderfully formed baby Renal with a divine purpose. And Jehovah Shalom, who will fill their home with peace, strength, and joy.
Yehovah Yireh, Tandayam Devam, Neer Matram Podum Yanakku. Yehovah Rapha, Sugam Taram Devam, Tardum Buhalal Suhamanum. Yehovah Shammah, En Kuda Irupir, En Tevellam Sandipir. Ni Matram Podum, Ni Matram Podum, Ni Matram Podum, Yanakku. Ni Matram Podum, Ni Matram Podum, Ni Matram Podum, Yanakku. Ni Matram Podum, Ni Matram Podum, Yanakku. Ni Matram Podum, Ni Matram Podum, Ni Matram Podum, Yanakku. En Atmanesam, En Yavalavan Kundi, Ennaye Mika, Tanmaye Tandir, Anbirku inaillaye, En வாழ்நாள் முழுதும் உமக்காக வாழ்வேன். நீரே என்றென்றும் போதும், நீ மாத்திரம் போதும், நீ மாத்திரம் போதும், நீ மாத்திரம் போதும் எனக்கு. நீ மாத்திரம் போதும், நீ மாத்திரம் போதும், நீ மாத்திரம் போதும் எனக்கு. நீ மாத்திரம் போதும்,
நீர் மாத்திரம் போதும்,
மாத்திரம் போதும்